friends, welcome to Backbencher YouTube channel. The main agenda of this channel, many aspirants are preparing for various competitive exam. They have phobia or else they have some psychological fear like how to prepare or current affairs, how to pick most important topic with respect to current affairs. Here this channel helps for you guys. See what I'm doing, I'm preferring various newspaper and down to earth, and I'm picking most important topic with respect to prelims of 2024, and also this series is useful for various competitive exams. See, if you just rely on this series for current affairs, the topic which I am covering, it's more than enough for that specific topic. First and foremost thing, let me begin with today topic called black carbon. Black carbon. Today I will explain you black carbon as well as methane. See, whenever you are listening this series, just take one small paper and pen and start make note of it, because when I say I will almost did crips by referring various materials like black carbon, methane and all. If you just do little bit hard work from yourself, you will be done with this topic. You no need to read extra information with respect to this topic. First I will cover black carbon. Black carbon. See how black carbon is formed. First, from basics to advanced level I will teach with respect to any, if I take any topic, think that from basic to advanced level I will teach that topic. Okay, let me start. What is black carbon? When incomplete combustion of coal, black carbon is formed. If you know this, only this much, more than enough. Then black carbon is short-lived pollutants. You should know short-lived pollutants called as PM 2.5. Okay, various types of short-lived pollutant I will tell you. Different black carbon, not only black carbon is short-lived pollutant, different types of categories of black short-lived pollutants are. First is black carbon. Second one is hydrofluorocarbon. Third one is methane. See, short-lived pollutants are very important for UPSC or else any competitive exam which you are referring. Short-lived pollutants is also called as super pollutants. They may ask this word also, you should know. Super pollutant. Short-lived pollutants also called as super pollutant. They are black carbon. Today I will explain you black carbon, methane and hydrofluorocarbon. If you know this much is more than enough. I hope you understood short-lived pollutant. Super pollutant is called short-lived pollutants are called as super pollutant. They are methane, black carbon and hydrofluorocarbon. See, now you came to know what is black carbon. Okay, is it black carbon is part of greenhouse gases or not? Yes, it is. Yes, it is greenhouse part. Okay. See, you do one thing, just you write black carbon in piece of paper, then write shortcut incomplete combustion of coal. This much is enough. Incomplete coal. Just short notes, scription notes. This is called. Then various types of different types of carbons are there. You should know how they are formed. Just one word per carbon. How? Biomass. When incomplete combustion of biomass happened, brown carbon formed. Just you write this much. You should know little one word of it, more than enough. When incomplete combustion of terrestrial, green. Okay. When incomplete combustion of blue means what? Ocean. That's it. When incomplete combustion of coastal ecosystem, blue. This done. You done with black carbon. You done with types of carbon. You done with short-lived pollutants. Short-lived pollutants are also called super pollutants. Different varieties of short-lived pollutants. Done. Now next what? See, where different types of initiatives are to curb with respect to black carbon. You should know how different types of initiative with respect to black carbon. First, I will tell you geospace biospace program. Geospace biospace program. You write like this. You write geospace biospace program, circle it, then write here launched by ISRO. More than enough. What is the use of this geospace biospace program? To measure black carbon, to check black carbon in the atmosphere, one thing, and to measure aerosol, or else to check aerosol in the atmosphere. Only this thing. Aerosol you should know, black carbon you should know, launched by ISRO. This 3 point is more than enough for with respect to geospace biospace program. Now let me tell you, one scheme is there which is launched by MOEF. MOEF launches National Carbonaceous Aerosol Program. See, when you are reading any initiative, you should know who implemented it, or else who launched it, and what is the use of that scheme, only in one word or two words. See, this is under part of CA, Climate Change and Action Program. Under this it comes. Okay, what is the use of it? It checks impact of aerosols and black carbon in the atmosphere. Just see, National Carbonaceous Aerosol Program, it checks impact of black carbon and aerosol in the atmosphere. It is implemented by MOEF. It comes under Climate Change and Action Program. If you know this, more than enough. Now next what? See, know little bit about albedo. Why you should know about albedo? See, because of global warming, when albedo is low, all radiation from sun, it is coming to earth, it is absorbing here only. Okay, it is not reaching earth. That's why albedo plays an important role. There are two types of albedo. One thing, first one what? Terrestrial albedo. Second thing, astronomical albedo. See, I will tell only one sentence or else one word with respect to any topic which it is. That's more than enough for any competitive exam. You no need to do PhD in any particular topic. One thing, to measure what is terrestrial albedo. If you know in one word, that's enough. To measure what it measures, earth. I mean, just now I told, when low albedo is there, all radiation is coming from earth, it is absorbing here only. When low albedo is there, that is because of global warming. That's why terrestrial albedo means to measure earth, how much it is penetrating. It is 0.3. Means what is this? Let me explain in simple words. 100% radiation is coming from earth. It is absorbing 30%. Only 70% is it is reaching to you. You should know. Terrestrial albedo. Astronomical means here to measure planets. How much it is penetrating, how much you are getting, how much it is absorbing. To measure planets, it is astronomical albedo, will say. To measure earth across earth activities, will say astronomical, terrestrial. I hope you got this much. See, when you know this much, it's almost done with black carbon. You understood about black carbon, you understood about various types of black carbon, you know how initiative with respect to black carbon. Now, most important last thing, Asian brown cloud is formed recently. It is in current affairs. How it is formed, you should know. It is incomplete combustion of coal or else fossil fuel and biomass. When incomplete combustion of coal and biomass happens, Asian brown cloud formed. It is formed in Eastern China and Southern Asia. Okay, I hope you got this much point. See, now I will tell you some prelims related point. Different varieties of satellites, and this is environment related satellite. Okay, first and foremost, Sentinel satellite. Sentinel satellite. See, you should know purpose of this satellite and who launched this satellite. Sentinel satellite launched by EU. What is? To check pollution. More than enough. Then next, Tencent satellite. Tencent satellite launched by China. You should know who launched it. Purpose is to measure or else to check CO2. CO2 Tencent satellite launched by China. CO2 Sentinel satellite launched by EU to measure pollution. Venus satellite is also no to measure pollution in the atmosphere. Okay, that's enough. That's more than enough. Now what? Now let me tell you second point. See, the things which you have read already, all is respect to black carbon. I hope you liked this session with respect to black carbon. If you know this much with respect to black carbon, it is more than enough. You don't need to read any further materials for black carbon. Next session I will explain you the whole concept with respect to methane. Methane is most an important topic for UPSC. I will combine all the different information club together and give you methane. Thank you.